Marked for future, bilingual, kindergarten and primary school, music and technology major. Banana stem boat race. Today's hands-on adventure took our young explorers into the world of creativity and engineering.
It's a triangle!
Yeah, like a triangle or a pyramid. We then need to take a skewer, like a meat skewer, and carefully stick.
Oh! Slowly!
Stick through one side into the other side like this, okay? So that we have almost like a mini A, okay? We then take some elastic bands.
Look there! I've tried it!
Okay? And we put one elastic band on one side, like so, and then the other one on the other side, okay? And then we have this shape here, okay? We then take,
triangle!
what's this? A lollipop stick, okay? And we can take the lollipop stick and stick it through and twist it around, okay? Yeah, okay. And then it's ready to be placed onto the water.